say.
What would you say is the best period in history to be both a man and a woman?
Oh, clearly now. There's absolutely no doubt about that.
Even,
Anyone who would like to go
you worry
back...
for the chaos. You worry about the chaos.
Well, you know, it's nice if we could make things better than they are. And I would say that just as all around the world, we're raising living standards at a rate that is absolutely unparalleled in human history, we're also in danger of destabilizing our culture in the West. And I don't think that's a good idea.
Part of that problem you talk about there is what we call the identity politics.
Yes, I think that any political position that puts someone's group identity ahead of their individuality is a regression to a kind of a tribalism that will definitely become violent, because that's what happens to tribes.
What's an example?
You mean
Do you have an example
of identity politics playing that role?
Yeah.
Well, it happens every time people divide themselves into tribal groups. I mean, what we're trying to do to make peace is to bring people under the rubric of something approximating a single identity, a shared identity. And I mean, the evidence that people fight in tribes, that's the entire evidence of the human race. And the farther back you go in time, and the smaller the tribal groups become, the higher the rates of inter-tribal warfare and the higher the rates of homicide.
And